Here, open the zipper. We're going to release them. Open the zipper.
Oh, wow!
You see them? Let them out. We're going to close them back up. We're going to release them, buddy. Say, come out, butterflies.
Come out, butterflies. Come out, butterflies. Come out, butterflies. Come out, butterflies. Go on the grass.
You want to go in the grass? Let's see if Mommy can catch one.
Yeah.
Let's see if it'll go on my finger. Oh, there goes one. Say bye, butterfly.
Butterfly. Butterfly.
Let's get another one to come out.
Come out, butterfly.
Here, let's see.
Yeah.
Let's see if it'll come on my finger. Here, look, Damon. Oh, bye, butterfly.
Butterfly. Come back.
Let's get another one.
Get another one. Butterfly,
Here, let's take
come
this out. Here we go. Ready? Two of them. There's two of them. You want to hold the flower? Here, you hold the flower. That's the last two ones. Say goodbye.
Bye-bye, bye-bye. Oh. Whoa.
You want to hold them?
Whoa. They're flying. They're flying. Bye-bye.
I think they might be mating.
See?
I see them. Aren't they pretty?
Pretty. What are you doing?